Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. Philippines Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winner to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Philippines Worldwide pageant. These young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies, aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. And here are the candidates: Lipa City, Ivan Mendoza; Santo Tomas City, Nico Dacanay; Calacas City, John Ray Spina; UPA Mataas na Kahoy, Nino J. Brocal; Mataas na Kahoy, Mark Menard Reyes; Ibaan, Rad Ivan Dalangin; Lobo, JV Gutierrez; Biga Lobo, JR Timlor; Lemery, Gabriel Alexis Ibabaw; Bambang, Ron Errol Balagso; Batangas City, King Philip Cañaco; Rosario, Eric Batilier; Balayan, Jethro El Cid Bravo;
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!